In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import transactions into QuickBooks. Whether you're trying to streamline your business finances or you're new to QuickBooks and integrating your data, these steps will help you get your transactions imported efficiently and effectively. Let's dive right in. First, start by clicking Sign In on the QuickBooks homepage. It's essential to ensure that you're signed into the correct account before making any changes, as this will help keep your data organized and prevent any mix-ups between different accounts. Once you've signed in, the next step is to choose QuickBooks Online from your service options. This selection tells QuickBooks which version of the platform you'll be using, allowing your import function to properly accommodate the format for QuickBooks Online. Now that you're in QuickBooks Online, you'll need to input your credentials. Go ahead and type them in and hit continue. This extra layer of verification is important to protect your data and confirm your identity within the QuickBooks system, ensuring only authorized users make financial changes. Once you are logged in, head over to your account settings. You can easily get there by clicking on the settings icon, often represented by a gear in the interface. From the settings menu, locate and click on import data. This feature is designed to facilitate bringing your external financial records into QuickBooks, giving you the tools to consolidate data from various sources. Now you need to choose the type of record you wish to import. This step requires you to identify whether you're importing invoices, expenses, or some other data category. Selecting the right record type ensures the data is imported correctly and appears in the appropriate sections of your QuickBooks records. After choosing your record type, click Import. At this point, QuickBooks will prompt you to browse for the CSV file that you're planning to import. This is the document containing the transaction data you want to integrate into your QuickBooks account. Double check that the information in this file is accurate and formatted correctly, as errors here could cause issues in later reporting. Following the file selection, you'll proceed to the Map Fields section. Mapping fields is crucial. It lets QuickBooks know how to align the data in your CSV file with the fields already present in your QuickBooks account. Carefully match each column from your CSV file to the corresponding field in QuickBooks to ensure an accurate import. Finally, once you've mapped all the necessary fields, click on Import once more to complete the process. Give QuickBooks a few moments to process the data, and you should see your transactions appearing in your account. If any errors occur, QuickBooks usually provides helpful troubleshooting tips or error messages to guide you. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to import your transactions into QuickBooks. By following these steps, you'll have all your financial information up to date in no time, helping you maintain accurate and comprehensive business records. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.